What's up, everybody? It's your boy Tyler here, and today I would like to personally welcome you to the kitchen, where today I'm going to show you how to consume 2,000 calories in under a minute. Yes, you heard me right. So this would be really helpful for those of you that are trying to put on weight fast, or those of you that are hard gainers, and some of you are probably thinking, is this even possible? Well, we're about to find out. So let's start out by making a list of everything we're going to need in order to make this happen. First off, you're going to need a blender. We're going to need some serious mass, a banana, 100% whole wheat Quaker oats, and also honey, and you also have to have 2% milk. And last but not least, the cream on top, literally heavy whipping cream. All right, it's now time for us to put it all together in the blender. So we're going to start with the milk, so that the powder doesn't get stuck at the bottom. I am going to be doing 4 cups of milk. Holy smokes, that's a little bit. Now it's time for the serious mass. 1 heaping scoop. And this is 625 calories in that scoop right there. Alrighty, and next we're doing 1 cup of the Quaker oats. That's about right. Time for the banana now. Bada bing, bada boom. So this is super cool. I wanted to do 2 tablespoons of honey, but I didn't want to just guesstimate it with like a spoon. And so I actually found in the kitchen here a 2 tablespoon measuring cup. Anybody ever seen one of these? Ah, it's so cute. Here we go. Tricky part is trying to make sure all this honey gets out of the cup and into the blender. So this might take a little bit. The heavy whipping cream. I'm going to be doing a 1/2 cup. That's a little bit. Okay, well, alrighty. While I let the honey and the heavy whipping cream do its thing so we can make sure it gets all in the blender, let's just recap everything we put in the blender here and how many calories each one contributed. Milk. We did 4 cups of milk, and it's 120 calories per cup, so we have 480 calories right there with the milk. The serious mass. Big bad boy. So I only did 1 scoop, so we got 625 calories from the serious mass. We had a banana, and I consulted with Google on this, and it said a medium banana has about 100 calories. I chose a bigger banana just to give us a little wiggle room. The whole grain Quaker oats. It says here 150 calories per serving, which is a 1/2 cup. So we did a full cup. So we got 300 calories from our oats. Our honey, 60 calories per serving, which is a tablespoon. We did 2 tablespoons of the honey. So we got 120 calories from our honey. The heavy whipping cream. This bad boy packs a punch at 50 calories per tablespoon. So we did 8 tablespoons on this, so we're getting 400 calories from the heavy whipping cream for a grand whopping total of 2,025 calories. Yeehaw! Now it's time to blend it up and see if I can get it in under 1 minute. So let's blend this bad boy up. Put it on smoothie mode. Smoothies are delicious, so hopefully it has the same consistency as a smoothie or even a little bit thinner. I'm a little worried that I put in a little too much heavy whipping cream, so it's going to make it a little too much frothy, but I guess we'll find out here in a second. Alright, everybody, welcome to the moment of truth. I got my spoon here because I see that there's a little bit of powder still stuck to the sides. I am a little bit nervous. I've never tried this before, getting this many calories in 1 shot. Well, here we go. Woo! I hope this isn't embarrassing. I hope I get pretty close. But the goal is we're finishing this! Yeah! Alright, here we go. Let's get it. Ready, set, go. Not bad. Okay. Oh my gosh, I need to take a little break. Okay, gotta go. I don't feel so good, but I think we're gonna do it. Yeah! Yeah, I don't feel very good right now. Oh my gosh. It doesn't count if it comes back up. Whoo! I feel a giant clump right here. Oh, you definitely don't want to be doing any activities like running or swimming or anything that requires movement for the next hour or so probably. Oh my gosh. It filled up every available space in my body, so now it feels a little painful. I think we're okay. I gotta sit down and we'll come back in a minute. Alright everybody, it's been about 10 minutes and I feel a lot better. We're gonna be fine. We're gonna be totally fine. So if you enjoyed that video, be sure to smash that like button and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next latest and greatest video. And with that, we'll see you next time. Peace!